So I used my place value mat to make 123, and I'm going to show, using another tool called a number expander, how I can look at my number and rename it into different ways, but I'm not actually changing the value of my number. So I'm going to record 100. So here's my 100, 2 10s and 3 ones to show my number 123. And I'm also going to record that number onto my number expander. So I have 100, 2 10s and 3 ones. And the nice thing about the number expander as a tool is it can help me to think about how I can rename my number. So if I fold it over like that, it's actually telling me, oh, I have 12 10s in my number. So I have to think about, well, where can I see 12 10s? So I look at the number that I made with the Icypole sticks, and I've got my 100 and my 2 10s here. This is saying I've got 12 10s. So if I rename my 100 to be 10 10s and place them back in the tens place of my chart, I now have, there's my 10 10s and 2 more 10s is 12 10s. So there's the 12 10s in my number 123. So I could pop them back into being 100 again. And I can look at my number in a different way. So what if I keep my 100 and my number can be 123 ones. So where do those 23 ones come from? Because I've only got 3 ones here. 2 10s. If I rename them to being ones, there's 10 ones, there's another 10 ones. So I've got now 23 ones. I have 123 ones. So it's another way of thinking about my number or interpreting my number. I've renamed now back my 23 ones back to being 2 10s and 3 ones. And I still have the total value of 123.